Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Focus key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having good lighting will make this process much easier. This simple task can be done quickly at home, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the keyring attachment point. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or pry, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. It should pop open with minimal effort. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, immediately test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.